Let it rain, sis. Down the drain. Let it rain down the drain.
Go.
No, we're not making a super fun anything.
What?
Whoa. Oh, if you were watching this late at night, it would be Tina Bear sausage fingers. Hi, and welcome back to Bear Food Kitchen, where we make easy, delicious meals using the Instapot. If you are new to our channel, like, comment, and subscribe. Love to hear from you. We'd love for you to get all of our recipes and videos every Sunday. Today we are making a fun, delicious breakfast meatball. This is super delicious. If you are doing a brunch or having guests over or just making it for your family, this is super easy. Today, so we're going to take some sausage. We got about a pound of sausage and 1 egg. We're just going to crack the egg. That wasn't easy. That wasn't easy. That was difficult. If you get eggshell in your egg, you can use the other part of your eggshell to scoop it out. Look at that. Super easy. Set that aside because you don't want eggshell in your egg. Give it a little beat. Love that. This is the music. This is the music in the kitchen. A little beat. Set that aside. We're going to pour it into the sausage. 1 pound. Now you could use turkey sausage. I have a sage. My honey loves this sage sausage. We're going to add some thyme, a little bit more sage, a little bit of maple syrup. I know, stay with me. You're going to love it. We're going to add some salt. Add some salt. A little bit of salt. A little salt. And a little bit of pepper. Pepper's always easier. I don't know why. Just like that. And here is the secret. We're going to add some pancake mix into the sausage. We're going to stir it up. I'm going to use my hands because I tried it with a spoon and it didn't work so well. And we are basically making meatballs. So good. They turn out fluffy and delicious. Put the rest of it in. Stir it up. Okay, and then we're going to add water. 1 cup of water. And then we're going to use an ice cream scoop. And we're just going to make the balls. So, there you go. Just like that. That's it. It's like that. It's like playing with Play-Doh. Then you're going to take them and you're going to put them on a trivet with a cup of water, 7 minutes, and you are going to have the best sausage meatballs ever. You could serve these for brunch. I don't wait for brunch. I serve them to my honey on Sundays when I'm off. 7 minutes. I'll show you what it looks like. I cannot wait for you guys to see these breakfast meatballs. So when you have brunch and you make these, let me know. What? they puff up because of the pancake mix, and they get big and fat. So look how huge they are. What? Okay, I don't know if I should put 2 on there. Should I put 2? Yeah? Okay. Oh my God, I would never eat 2. I would share. Okay, so what I like to do is have some egg or maybe an omelet, but you don't need any of that because I have a little bit of syrup here, and my Jer Bear thinks I'm crazy, but I love to dip it in there because it has that pancake flavor, sausage. So you give it a little dip. It's gonna be super hot, but I don't care. I'm gonna just tough it out because I'm a tough girl. Look at that, cooked all the way through. All right, I'll tell you something right now. I love syrup on my bacon. I love syrup on my sausage. I love syrup on my pancakes. And I love syrup on my breakfast meatballs. Oh my God, it's so good. I hope you try this. Let me know what you think. I know they sound crazy, but they're so good. Like, comment, subscribe. See you next time. Be kind to each other and enjoy.